Are you considering taking out a personal loan? It can be a helpful way to finance a major expense, but before you apply, it's important to ask yourself and your lender some critical questions to make an informed decision. Here are 5 key questions to ask before taking out a personal loan. First, what is the interest rate? The interest rate is a crucial factor that affects the total cost of borrowing the loan. Make sure you understand the interest rate upfront and calculate the total amount you'll need to repay. Second, what fees and charges are associated with the loan? These can include processing fees, prepayment charges, and late payment fees, among others. Be sure to understand all associated costs to avoid surprises. Third, what is the repayment schedule? Make sure the length of the loan and payment frequency fit your budget. Fourth, what are the eligibility requirements? These can include your credit score, income and employment status, so make sure you meet them before applying. Fifth, what happens if you miss a payment? Missing a payment can result in late fees and negatively impact your credit score. It's important to understand the consequences and work out a plan to avoid it. By asking these critical questions, you can make an informed decision about whether a personal loan is the right choice for you. If you need further guidance or assistance, speak to financial institutions like Fullerton India to help you navigate the process. Click the link in the description to know more. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.